When life is busy, your carpets get dirty. And sometimes vacuuming isn't enough. To keep your carpets truly clean, BISSELL has the answer. The BISSELL wash gives carpets all around your home the clean they need. With separate tanks for clean and dirty water that are simple to remove. Fill with hand-hot water and your favorite shampoo, and simply run the machine over dirty areas. It vacuums the hot cleaning solution off the carpet, lifting away stains and embedded dirt from your daily life. Dirty water is kept separate, so you can just pour it away. With a range of specialized shampoos to choose from, the BISSELL wash leaves your home fresh, clean and comfy. BISSELL, home to a deeper clean.